case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The transfer would only be considered fraudulent if the debtor intentionally deceived creditors and if clear evidence of such intent exists. Blumenstein later acquired the boat when Martin Dredging became insolvent and stopped making payments. However, Phillips Insurance Center Inc. claimed the vessel in order to repay a debt owed by Martin Dredging. The court found Blumenstein's acquisition of the boat to be fraudulent and granted ownership to Phillips. Blumenstein argued that the transfer of ownership was legitimate and not fraudulent. The court determined that Phillips's attachment to the boat had priority over Blumenstein's security interest, but the trial court had erred in presuming fraud and not considering the evidence of good faith presented by Blumenstein. The boat had been involved in a failed gold recovery venture in Nome, Alaska. Ultimately, the court held that the ownership transfer from Martin Dredging to Blumenstein was legitimate, overturning the previous decision and ruling in favor of Blumenstein. The trial court was instructed to consider Blumenstein's good faith evidence and the context of potential fraud indicators in order to determine actual intent. The case centered around the ownership of a boat sold under a conditional sale agreement to Martin Dredging, Inc.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.